2015 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first we'll go down, and you should see a lever like this that will pull. That pop, if you could hear it, that was the safety releasing, so we can actually go up and open it now. If it's helpful, back here you should see like a cable that's attached to this little lever. You want to make sure there is a cable attached there. If there's not, and it's not tight at all, you'll need to adjust that for this to work. And now from up here, most vehicle models, there's another lever towards the middle here. This one's right here, so I'm going to push and lift. So push and lift. So that's the top part that was hooked. And then down here is that lever. That's what that all looks like. If you're having issues, yeah, make sure nothing's bent out of place. Make sure there's no debris stuck in here. Might need to spray a little WD-40 to loosen this up if needed. But yeah, clean it all up, make sure everything's tight and straight. Same with your hood, make sure nothing's bent out of place or out of alignment. You need to adjust your hood properly so it's all straight, because if it's crooked, you're gonna have issues opening it as well. But anyways, that's it. Hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.